Welcome to our kitchen, where we're about to embark on a culinary journey that's as elegant as it is simple, steak and Gorgonzola Crostini. First, we start with the star of the show, a beautifully marbled steak. We're grilling it just right, to capture those rich flavors and tender textures. Next, we're taking crusty baguette slices and giving them a quick toast, infusing them with the irresistible crunch that will perfectly complement our succulent steak. Now, for a touch of indulgence, we're adding crumbled Gorgonzola cheese. Its bold flavor profile will dance harmoniously with the steak, creating a symphony of taste. And to tie it all together, a delicate drizzle of balsamic glaze. Its sweet and tangy notes will elevate every bite.
Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.